जिस टीन एज में ज़्यादातर लोग पेरेंट्स से कंप्लेंट्स, आर्ग्यूमेंट्स, एक्सपेक्टेशंस, डिमांड्स रखना शुरू करते हैं, उसी टीन एज में इन्होंने अपनी फैमिली को फिनेंशियली सपोर्ट करने के लिए न्यूज़पेपर बेचने शुरू किए थे। Yes, I am talking about most dignified politician who served as the 11th president of India from 2002 to 2007, डॉक्टर APJ अब्दुल कलाम। उनके हजारों लाखों ऐसे किस्से हैं जिनकी वजह से वो आज भी हर रिलीजन के, हर कास्ट के, हर एज के लोगों के दिल में बसते हैं। Before becoming the president, Dr. Kalam worked as an aerospace engineer with DRDO and ISRO. He was called a missile man of India. तो न्यूज़पेपर को सेल करने वाला वो बच्चा कैसे दुनिया के हर न्यूज़पेपर के फ्रंट पेज पे शाइन करने लगा। तो खास होगा उनमें कि वो आज भी पूरी दुनिया को इंस्पायर करते हैं। और वो अलग बात है उनकी सोच, उनकी थिंकिंग, उनके थॉट्स, उनके लिखे हुए कोड्स। तो अगर आप भी वो सोच में एक बार सोच के डूब जाएंगे तो ज़िंदगी बदल सकती है। तो आइए देखते हैं, सुनते हैं उनके कुछ थॉट्स। मैं चाहूँगी कि ना केवल इनको आप देखें बल्कि अपनी ज़िंदगी में भी अपनाएं। लेट्स हैव अ लुक। दुनिया में अगर सबसे अच्छा सोचना है तो सर्वप्रथम किसी का बुरा सोचना बंद करना होगा। Actually, I am not handsome, but I can give my hand to someone who needs help because beauty is required in heart, not in face. खुश रहा करो। परेशान होने से कल की मुश्किलें दूर नहीं होती, बल्कि आज का सुकून भी चला जाता है। Every little smile can touch somebody's heart. No one is born happy, but all of us are born with the ability to create happiness. So always be happy. 4 beautiful thoughts of life. Look back and get experience. Look forward and see hope. Look around and find reality. Look within and find yourself. Luxury and lies have huge maintenance cost, but truth and simplicity are self-maintained without any cost. The sense of a happy life and a peaceful society lies in one sentence: what can I give? Winners are not those who never fail, but those who never quit. क्या हम ये नहीं जानते कि आत्मसम्मान आत्मनिर्भरता के साथ आता है। जीवन में 2 तरह के लोग नाकाम होते हैं। पहले जो सोचते हैं लेकिन करते नहीं, दूसरे जो करने से पहले कभी सोचते ही नहीं। Dream, dream, dream. Dreams transform into thoughts and thoughts result in action. Difficulties in your life do not come to destroy you, but to help you realize your hidden potential and power. Let difficulties know that you too are difficult. Dreams is not what you see in sleep, is the thing which does not let you sleep. You were born with wings, don't crawl. Learn to use them to fly and fly. Don't feel low when someone doubts your caliber. Just be proud of yourself. Because people always doubt the gold for its purity, not the iron. Never stop fighting until you arrive at your destined place. That is the unique you. Have an aim in life. Continuously acquire knowledge, work hard, and have perseverance to realize the great life. Look at the sky. We are not alone. The whole universe is friendly to us and conspires only to give the best to those who dream and work. When we tackle obstacles, we find hidden reserve of courage and resilience we did not know we had. And it is only when we are faced with failure do we realize these resources were always there within us. We only need to find them and move on with our lives. There is no wine if grapes are not pressed, no perfume if flowers are not crushed. So don't be afraid. If there are pressures in your life, it will bring the best out of you. एक मूर्ख जीनियस बन सकता है यदि वो समझता है कि वो मूर्ख है, लेकिन एक जीनियस मूर्ख बन सकता है यदि वो समझता है कि वो तो जीनियस है। इंतज़ार करने वालों को उतना ही मिलता है जितना कि कोशिश करने वाले छोड़ देते हैं। If you fail, never give up. Because fail means first attempt in learning. And is not the end, in fact, end means effort never dies. If you get no as an answer, remember, no means next opportunity. So let's be positive. किसी को प्यार देना सबसे बड़ा उपहार है और किसी का प्यार पाना सबसे बड़ा सम्मान। Never leave your close ones if you find few faults in them. Just close your eyes and remember the best time you spent together. Because affection is more important than perfection. When a man loves a woman, she becomes his weakness. When a woman loves a man, he becomes her strength. This is called the exchange of power. Be silent in two situations. When you feel one cannot understand your feelings from your words. And second, when one can understand you without any words. If we want to maintain true relation with someone, always believe in what we know about them, not in what we heard about them. Love is when the other person's happiness is more important than your own. प्यार करने के लिए तो ये जिंदगी भी कम पड़ जाती है। पता नहीं लोग नफरत के लिए वक्त कैसे निकाल लेते हैं। Never look for a good face. It will turn old one day. Never look for a good skin. It will wrinkle one day. Never look for a perfect body. It will change one day. Never look for nice hair. It will turn white one day. Instead, look for a loyal heart that will love every day. Perfect relationship is not that you never get angry, upset, or irritated with each other. It's how fast you resolve and bounce back to normal.